In this video, I am talking about synthetic division. We can use synthetic division to help us factor polynomials of higher degree. Like, here we're going to use it to find out if x minus 5 will divide evenly into x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 10. All right, well, let's get to solving. Let's just copy this down again. Make it a little smaller, tuck it up in the corner so it's out of the way. Okay, our first step. We're going to draw kind of an L right here. Now I'm going to take that number right there. That's the number that's on the factor. You know, we're trying to divide by x minus 5. I take the number that's on there. If there's a number in front of the x, like if it was 2x minus 5, we'd use a slightly different method. But right now, we're going to use x minus 5. So I'm going to take the opposite sign of that number behind x. That's going to give me my p-value. P equals plus 5. Okay? I'm going to put my p-value up here on the outside. Next, I'm going to take the coefficients from in front of the numbers. There's nothing in front of there, so that's going to be a 1. I've got a minus 4, got a minus 7, and a 10. So far, so good. Now, switching pen colors again. You take your first number and bring it down. This number 1, we're going to bring it down. And that's just going to be a 1. My next step is to take this 5 and this 1, multiply them, and put them up there. So 5 times 1 is going to give me 5. What I do now is I add these two numbers, minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 and 5 is going to give me plus 1. So another 1 there. Now I do the same step as I did last time. I take this 5, times it by that 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Put it up there. Got another 5. Same thing again. Add those two numbers together. Minus 7 and 5. That's going to, a minus 7 and a 5 is going to give me a minus 2. Remember, I've added those together. Same step as last time. We'll take this 5, times it by that 2, put the answer up there. 5 times minus 2 is going to give me minus 10. Add these two together, 10 and minus 10, and I end up with a 0. Put a box around this very last number. That is the remainder for our answer. Because I have a 0 there, that means that x minus 5 went in evenly. If I had any number there, that would be a remainder, and that would say that x minus 5 did not go into our equation evenly. Okay, not quite done yet. I'm going to finish answering the question. Now, I am using these numbers right here to answer the rest of my question. Now I'm going to compare it to what I've got up there. You see right here, I have got a power 3. Well, I need to go down 1 power from that. I now am going to go with x to the power of 2. And I put this coefficient in front of it. So it's going to be 1x to the power of 2. Now that 1 I don't really need to have there, because you don't need to put a 1 for the x. My next coefficient is going to be also 1. So I'm going to add plus, and I'm going to take 1 power less of x, 1x squared, and then I take my last one, minus 2. And that is my end answer. X squared plus x minus 2, with a remainder of 0.